So I was almost done with plucking out all of the flower stalk and kept it aside. I went back, put my phone for charge, and I started to edit my videos. And while it was taking a bit of time for it to download, I came back again because I wanted to take out some of the leaves from the flower stalk so that I can propagate them. And when I got back, I was in a complete horror because when I started to take out the leaves, I happened to see this, and you can see the size of these mealy bugs. They are so huge, and trust me guys, when I was checking the flower stalks couple of days back, I didn't see any of them, and now when I was taking out the leaves, you can see the amount of mealy bugs. I'm not very sure where exactly were they hiding, but you can see the amount of them, and they are so healthy, they are so fat. The amount of juice that they have pulled out from the flower stalk, and now because the pavement is little warm because of the direct sunlight, so that's why they do not like light, they do not like warmth, and hence you can see they are running to the edge of the pavement. But don't worry, they all will be killed by the end of this video. But I just wanted to show you guys, at times when you overlook the blooms, it becomes very difficult to notice them. And after I had taken them out, the amount of mealy bugs I happened to notice, I'm quite surprised. So I immediately went ahead and pulled out all of the dry leaves from the lower portion of the succulent. But luckily, there are no mealybugs on the succulent. They were only on the flower stalk, so that is a sign of relief, because otherwise it would have been a really difficult scenario. But thankfully, I have taken out all of the dry leaves, and I've also checked the stem and in between of the leaves, so I don't find anything. All of the dry leaves are very clean. There are no mealybugs on the dry leaves, which means that they had only attacked the flower stalk. So I have smashed all of those mealybugs that were at the edge. As you can see, they were completely filled with the fluid from the flower stalk. So all of them are dead. Luckily, none of the mealybugs in the dry leaves. That is such a sign of relief. Otherwise, it would have been a big headache of getting them out. So pretty much all of the dry leaves have been taken out. Few of the dry leaves are still there. It's a little difficult to take them out, but I can check and I can confirm that there are no mealybugs in between the leaves or on the stem. So as you can see, I did couple of times, I did check the flower stalk. I did not see any mealybugs, trust me. And now when I had cut them off, I seen such huge mealybugs. So just be careful guys. At times you might not notice them, but they could be hiding somewhere. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.